In this exercise, I'm going to be using the filter plus sort functions together. These functions are available in Excel 365. What I will do is I'm going to be displaying the sales value greater than $500. Then I'm going to be sorting first by value and sorting them in descending order. What I got in column A are the name of the salesperson, and in column B are the sales value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type the sort function first, then open parenthesis followed by the filter function, also with the open parenthesis, and the range that I'm going to include is in A2, which is the name of the salesperson, colon, then all the way to B12 to cover both the column A and column B in my sorting and filtering of the data, then comma. Then I'm gonna find out which of the listed sales value are above or greater than $500. So I'm gonna say B2, then colon B12, and then I'm gonna find out which of these values are greater than $500. Okay, and then I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna put a comma because I'm gonna put number 2, and number 2 is representing the second column, which is the value, and then I'm gonna another comma. Since I want to sort the values in descending order, I'm gonna put -1, which represent descending order in sorting the values. Then I'm gonna close it, then I'm gonna enter. So there you have it. I got the values which are greater than $500 and sorted in descending order. So what if I'm gonna sort the first column first, which is the column for the salesperson? So what I do is I'm just gonna change the number 2 to number 1, okay, and then enter. So what I got now is I've just sorted the salesperson in descending order. What if I'm gonna I'm gonna put it back to number 2 to sort the second value, which is the sales value, and then instead of having -1, I'm gonna have a whole number 1, which represents sorting the values in ascending order. Enter. So right now you can see is still I'm displaying the sales value greater than $500, but it is now in ascending order from $505 all the way to $1,000. So that's how you use the filter and sort functions together in Excel 365.